All right, so in Google Classroom, after I show you here, you are going to make your own writer's notebook, the cover of it, personalize it to make it your own. So here's one that I've been working on. As you can see, I have some pictures that I got from the internet, like this one. I'll show you how, I'll remind you how to do that. I uploaded, of course, a picture of my nephews to personalize it. And then I also put in some of my Bitmojis. So if you have one or you want to create one, and as you can see, I also have some GIFs. The ocean is something that inspires me, so I wanted to put it on the cover of my writer's notebook. And then I believe this is the portion of the brain that helps you with your creativity and writing. And I thought this was cool. I put a little M GIF, and I'm realizing now that I can copy that, and I'm going to put it for my M in Ms. Markle too. So I'm going to put this one over here. And center that. Okay, so now I will show you how I found some of those things. I'm going to make a copy so that I don't ruin yours. So this is going to be my practice copy of. Okay, so once you have your own writer's notebook, oh no, where are you? You're going to insert your name here. And like I did, you can, use a GIF. Let's say your name was Bob. I want to change, I like to call mine writer's notebook, so I might change that to writers, but it's up to you. That's just what I'm used to calling it. So whatever you'd like to call it this year. Okay, so then to insert images, you can either, if you have pictures that you want to download from like real pictures, you can download them from like your phone or whatever. Like here are some of my pictures, and then you can just drag them right in from there. And then you can resize them, move them around. You can also, remember, insert images from the web. So I know that I found one of, I shared with you that the ocean is really inspiring for me. So I might just find a picture that I like. Oh, I really like this underwater ocean picture. And you can either cover up your binding or keep it uncovered. Yeah, weird.
One question.
Yes.
How do you insert GIFs?
I'm gonna do that next. Okay, so then if you want to insert a
Do you
GIF,
have to personalize the pages?
Nope, just the cover. So if you want to insert a GIF.
Are we gonna use this notebook today?
Yes, we are, but hold off on questions until I'm done with the tutorial, and then yes, I will explain how we're going to use it today. Okay, so if you want to put in a GIF, go to Insert Image, then search the web, and all I did was I just typed in GIF and then what I wanted a GIF of. So one thing I was looking at is like writing GIFs, and here are those letters that I got. That's where I got my M. Let me see what happens if I put writing first. Writing GIF. So just play around with it. So it looks like you could put like a little pencil in there. That's probably interactive. And scroll down and just search for, these aren't the ones that I got, so I'm not sure, but these aren't the ones that I found earlier. I thought that's how I typed it in. Let's see, you could do a GIF. try this one. Yeah, so there's all sorts of different things that you can just, you know, search around for. I might like an interactive, so I did GIF ocean. Let's see if I can get one that moves. Let's see if this one moves. Yeah, like that. So then I can resize it and move it where I want it to go. Okay, and then I don't know if anyone else has a Bitmoji, but this is how I can just easily insert, or if you want to make one. But I know that I also like to read what I write. So, ooh, yeah, so I can do like this one, and you just drag it onto your notebook. And okay, so it is up to you just how you want to decorate it. Just make sure that you have your name there somewhere. I need to center this. I moved it by accident. But it's however you want to personalize it. Okay, any questions on how to decorate your writer's notebook? So the next part, what you're going to do today in your asynchronous learning. Oh, Hazel, do you have a question, or is that from earlier?
What if we have more stuff we want to add, but we run out of space on the cover?
I mean, I want it to be your very own. So I'm wondering if you go over here, do you see my cursor right now hovering on the plus sign? Yeah. I'm wondering if you go down to the arrow, and if you wanted to, I suppose.
You could make a back page,
yeah.
I guess.
So I could add another notebook page right here. And then you can either keep working, or you can drag this down to make it your back cover all the way to the bottom. So it would become slide, looks like 19. And then you could do the same thing to decorate your back cover. That's a good idea. Okay, so then today you're also going to scroll down and do your first journal entry. So you're going to scroll down to slide 8, and it's just going to be a free write. It can be about anything at all. You put today's date, and then this is where you add your text. So while we were having our asynchronous learning time, I went ahead and I just made a quick free write entry in my journal. I dated it, I titled it free write. It's on slide 8. And I was outside, and so I heard machines rumbling, smoke in the air, hazy light flickering through the trees. Tuesday morning seems okay, but it could be better. The air could be cleaner. We could be at school. I could hear kids on the playground instead of the machinery at work down the street. But patience, I want to keep trying to make the best with what we have. So it can, your free write can be absolutely anything you want. Okay, I'm going to show you where you can get your writer's notebook. So if you refresh our Google Classroom page, I've made an assignment called Writer's Notebook. You're going to click on that, and you're going to go to instructions. And here is going to be your copy of your Writer's Notebook journal. So you're going to click on it. Let me see if I can log on as my example student. That's not my example student. Okay, all of my emails, because I never check my emails and I get so much spam. All right, so I'm gonna go to my example student to show you guys what this looks like for you.
Inbox 5,758.
Yeah, I'm really not great at checking my email, and I also get a lot of spam, junk mail. Okay, so this is what you should see if you're looking at my screen right now. So when you go to Writer's Notebook, here your Writer's Notebook is right over here in the Your Work. So you're gonna click on your own Writer's Notebook and you're gonna get started with decorating your cover. Just as I showed you earlier, it might take a minute to load, you know, because you have all those slides. So you're gonna decorate your cover by adding pictures of your own that you've downloaded to your computer or images from the internet when we went over here, or you can find GIFs or Emojicon if you have it. And the second part of today's asynchronous assignment is to scroll down and enter your first journal entry. All right, I'm gonna stop my screen share and take any questions that you may have. Does anyone have any questions?